Hello, crafty friends. Welcome to day 2 of the Spellbinders 13 Days of Craft-o-Ween. If you have missed day 1, here's a look at the project I created with the dies from day 1. I have an adorable Dracula with Have a Fantastic Night sentiment. Let's go ahead and unbox day 2. We have day 1. Now it is time to look at day 2. Again, a reminder, the design you see on the front of the booklet is not what's on the inside. So you might think you're getting a sneak peek here on day 3. You are not. This is just some pretty packaging. Very beautifully done Spellbinders. Let me set this aside and open our day 2. Woohoo! Are you guys ready? Let's look. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, we have a crow. Look at the adorable bow. And we have a skull. It looks like this goes well with it wishing you a mysterious Halloween night. Okay, I'm going to turn my camera off, do some die cutting, and I'll be back with a finished card in a few. Here's a look at the card I made using day 2 of the 13 days of Craft-o-Ween. We have our crow sitting on a skull. Love it. I used lilac, windy, saffron, and chiffon colors of cardstock along with the brushed black. That's that beautiful shimmery black that you see on the crow. And I also used one more color. I forgot to mention that. That is Anchor. That's the gray color that you see here. And I even brought in a little bit of the mirror gold for the monocle. I added the stamp sentiment and I brought in the onyx gems from my stash to embellish the card. Now the hat from the crow, here I have one more hat and I have one more bow. I think these are going to look really awesome on our Dracula. Check it out. See how handsome he is? Maybe I cut the bow from red cardstock or black cardstock. But you can see that this works really well with this particular die cut as well. So you can use many pieces, well, not many, you can use some pieces from some die sets, and I'm hoping there are more sets like this coming in day 3 and 4 and so on, and you can interchange and mix and create, unique little scenes. So this is a look at day 2 of the 13 days of Craftoween with Spellbinders. I hope you enjoyed this little video tutorial. Thanks for joining me. I hope to be back tomorrow with day 3.